G'day all and welcome to the South African lawn. So liquid iron, why am I putting down liquid iron today? So liquid iron just helps your lawn get that color back. It's actually for when your plant, in my instance grass, isn't creating enough chlorophyll and then it starts yellowing off. Okay, so then it helps recover that the production of chlorophyll. But in my case, I've got some germinated areas right here, which I've obviously seeded on the 5th and 6th of May. Right there, as you can see, there's some yellow areas there, and I've been noticing that most of the more mature grasses that's grown a little bit more doesn't struggle with it as much. Okay, so let me just show you this area as well. So as you can see, there's also some lacquer lime green or yellowish color there. So, and I'm hoping that my liquid iron application will pull those colors a little bit more together, so they look a little bit more uniform and all of them looks more or less the same color, and it will obviously do no harm to the existing turf right here. Okay, so right here I've got my knapsack backpack. Always struggle with that. Yeah, I've got my knapsack or backpack sprayer. I should really start doing it slowly because I can't ever get that correct. And here I've got my product for today. This is made by Wonder and it's an iron chelate. It sounds like a coffee. Iron chelate or chelated iron, or iron chelate or chelated iron. Not 100% sure how to pronounce it. So yeah, here it says it's got 130 grams of per kilogram Fe, which is iron, in this mix. It's in powder form, and you need 6 mils of this, which is just under a full scoop of this per 10 liters of water. I'm just going to add about 8 liters of water would give me 2 passes, so about 6 mils of this. Actually a little bit less, 5 mils. And with that, a little bonus, I'm going to add my favorite fertilizer, which is this Oro Vital, which has a lot of different benefits to it. It actually has chelated iron in as well, but not a lot, nothing to get crazy about. But it's got wetting agents, and it's got humic acid, which is actually preferably which prefers to be watered in actually. However, I'm not going to water it in today because I just feel that this iron chelate just gets better taken up through the leaf. I get best results with that. So I'm just going to leave it on the leaf. No harm, no foul. Let's get into it. Ooh, I tell you what, this wetting agent is derived from I think lemon, not lemon, I always want to say lemon, it's orange. In Afrikaans it's lemoen, and orange is a lemoen. So it just makes sense to say lemon, lemoen. But no, it's not, it's an orange. It's lemoen is orange, and a lemon is a suurlemoen. Don't know where we got that, doesn't make sense. Just gonna go with a tad of this. Oh yes, maybe, oh, I tell you what, just smell this. Oh, can you smell it? Lovely. YouTube should really add the smell function to the experience, you know, maybe like 4D or 5D instead of this boring 2D video. I'm on gallons here. Let's see where the liters are. Oh, that's 10 liters. That's 10. That's a little bit more than I wanted, but that should do the trick. Alrighty guys, so that wraps up the spraying. So I'm going to give it a couple of days, 1 or 2 days. I don't think I've got a week to wait to see the full potential of this. But let's give it a couple of days and then we see if it really makes a big difference. I did do a previous video, however, so if you want to go and check that video out, go and check it. I've had some pretty good results in the past with it. So let's hope it gets my younger grasses and the overall look of the lawn a little bit better. So I'll see you in a couple of days, skis. Okay guys, so it's approximately about 5 days later, I think, and I don't think I'm going to say too much. I think I'm just going to let you draw your own conclusion, and then I'll probably tell you what I think. But how's that? You think it's better? Should I put a before? Should I put a before video here? So just look at this seeded area. That was the line from the seeded area towards that side. I removed all the Kentucky bluegrass there, so that's all new grass. So as you can see, it's not perfect yet. Still some yellowing spots. So it wasn't 100% successful result, but definitely improving. And I tell you what, I don't think really it's the deficiency of iron so much. I think it was really just the difference between mature and immature seedlings. So yeah, I think that had a bigger role to play than just iron deficiency. But I tell you what, the rest of the lawn has kicked into gear. I should have actually done it quite a long time ago. Kicked into gear and pulled that color together. So in general, it is looking quite a lot better. Even the seeded areas. Just have a look there, guys. Beautiful. I'll quickly show you the other seeded area. Okay, so this is the other seeded area. And as you can see, the results is pretty much... Okay, there's a bit of... That's a more true color there. So as you can see, the results is pretty much the same right here. Also, still a little bit lighter and darker, but definitely better. Okay, so Werner Klute is on... the previous video has said, Mary, why don't you give us a lekker kikuyu update? So Werner, hier enetjies vir jou. So here's my kikuyu update. Guys, at the back I'm busy with liquid iron. On the front lawn here, I'm busy with solid iron. Trying to get that dog of mine right there to leave me grass alone. So I've just cut this lawn. I just want to show you, I think it looks flippin' lekker besides that part against the wall there that the dog is damaging. Check there, holding some pure color. I don't know if you can see it. I'm just gonna do a walk around here, guys. Check there, beautiful. Okay, however, there we had a massive sewage problem. So some of the pipes broke, so they had to dig up everything there. So that and this part against the wall will need some attention over the next couple of months when we hit summer and spring again. Okay. However, outside it's quite a different story. You know, I don't know if you will be able to see that, but it's quite a bit more yellow. And I reckon it's just because it's not as protected as inside the wall there. So there I get hardly any frost, but here I do get quite some frost. So a little bit more yellow. I hope you can see the difference on camera, but it is definitely looking quite a bit better inside than it is looking outside. Okay. Guys, so that's going to wrap up the video. Thank you so much for watching. Liquid iron, always a good idea. Winter, summer, you name it. Lekker thing to use. Thank you to all the subscribers. If you haven't subscribed already, click subscribe now, please. And also click the bell notification thing so you get notified when my videos go live. And also, I dare you to like this video. Thank you so much to everyone watching. I hope you enjoyed the content. I hope you learned something. If you haven't, I hope you were entertained. And I will see you in the next videos. Cheers for now. Bye-bye.